Hello, you guys. How is everybody doing? I hope everybody is doing well and you are having the greatest start to the seasons of the Thanksgiving and Christmas. Here we go. Look what I have, you guys. I have My Porch Prints Hometown Christmas Kit. And I'm going to tell you something. This kit is large, but it is so beautiful. Now, I'm also going to tell you, I don't know where my helping elves went. This is the last time that I'd put whiskey in their sugar plum juice because I had to cut out all this ephemera all by myself, and my fingers are tired. I am having a word with Mrs. Claus about her helpers. No more special treatment. But look at all these extras. I mean, come on. Who doesn't need a little help from the elves with all this ephemera that came with the kit? So let's go around the table here. And let me just show you some of what we're going to get to play with. Like I said, it's a very large kit. The papers and decorative papers are absolutely beautiful in this kit. I did all of it double-sided. So you've just got this hometown feel to it. I mean, look at that. Is that not just the cutest? The bakery, the truck with the tree in the back, getting ready to go home. Decorate everything. Look, just the cutest. I'm in love with this kit. I'm absolutely in love with it. It just, and all of the colorful papers that come with it. I'm gonna have a lot of fun with this. So those are a lot of the pages that come in this kit. Here are these are some of the churches and some of the backgrounds and stuff that they have in the kits that I might use for just background pieces or pockets. I have some more over here that are just super cute. I mean, and look at this stack. I mean, there's just so much. This is the only part that I hadn't cut out because I hadn't made my mind up which piece I wanted to use first. And they're so cute. Okay, enough of that pile. So there's a whole bunch of them. And then we have, I liked this idea that they put in there. I love this idea. So you can cut these slits out, which I'm gonna do, and then you can just start stuffing the pockets. Instead of making a whole bunch of levels of pockets, this is one really nice way to stuff a pocket. And then, they had the one where you fold this in half. This is the insert for it. It has a little tag that goes on top here, so it inserts into this pocket. I like that one. That one's cute. They had some of the book pieces, and in my last set of stuff, I used these book pieces as cards. Not sure if I'm going to turn these into cards yet. I don't know, or if I'm just going to turn them into little booklets that are going to be inside of the junk journal that I want to make. So I want to use these inside the book. That's why I haven't cut them out. It came with some really cute pieces of paper. Love them. All this ephemera, these presents with greenery on them. There's just so many different ones that are super cute. Love them. They put your favorite drinks in there with some clove. I thought that was really cute. All kinds of just super cute stuff. Let's put that back over there. Oh, we have, my favorite part, the trucks. I love the old GMs. I love these. And then the wagons. So they have them in the green. They have them in the cream. They have them in red. So they have all of your colors. They even have the horse-drawn carriages. Yes. So all of that goes together in my pile over here. We have some miscellaneous stuff. There's a couple jars here, a little background piece. I liked these. These are super cute. You can turn these into little paper clips, little hidden paper clips with that. And they've got all this extra greenery that you can put into the background of any picture. So there's just so many pieces here that you can play with. Love it. And then you got some other miscellaneous. I guess I could go in that pile. Little tags, tickets, tags, super cute tags. Can't wait to decorate those. Tons of cards. You've got different little note cards with the lines on them. You've got your postcards that are small. You've got the large cards. You've got the large postcards. So you've got a variety of stuff that you get to stuff into this journal without trying to make it too fat. So I loved these wreaths. I think these are super adorable. And see, they all took so much time to cut out. And then we have, so that's why there's a few days in between my videos, is because I was doing this. Because the elves apparently are on strike, or they're still drunk from the whiskey I spiked into their plum juice. Could you imagine? So there's that. And let's not forget all the pockets. Ugh, I am in love with these pockets. There's so many different pockets. So you have all of these different backgrounds. Ugh, my fingers are sticking together. That are the same as the decorative papers, some of them. And then these ones where these tags go in. They have envelopes. Yes, we love our envelopes. Beautiful envelopes. Small ones as well. So they put some different types of pockets. They have the pockets that go on the side of the page that are tall like this, and they go this way instead of like that, like they usually do. So they're going this way. So we have all that awesome stuff that we get to play with. I'm so excited. Let's make a journal, you guys. I'm so excited. All right, stay tuned so that we can play with all of this. We're going to put all this away. We're going to clean this desk up, and we're going to get started on making the cover of this book. All right, I will see you in the next episode. Stay tuned, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. I will see you soon.